pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, this is me. I'm real glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will stay and take a chance and think about subscribing by the end of the video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Alright guys, so we're going to be talking about November's spoilers for the Base Box 2021. I believe some of the Boxycharm boxes went up. I believe it's premium, so Base Box is still $25. You get 4 to 5 full-size items valued at over $100. So you ready to see what we got? Let's get into it. Alright, so the very first product that I see is the Artist Couture Supreme Nudes Pressed Pigment Eyeshadow Palette. It has a $42 value. There's 12 shadows in here, and there's a mixture of shimmers and mattes. What do you think? This looks like a pretty good palette, and Artist Couture is a pretty good brand. All right, let's move on and see what we have next. Blink's Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. It's a clean and vegan formula. It also has a $26 value. Seraphine Botanicals Lunar Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner, an $18 value. This is also a vegan product. Illamasqua has a Hydra Setting Spray. It says it's non-sticky, lightweight mist, dries fast, and locks in makeup. It has a $26 value. And it's supposed to leave your skin moisturized. Okay, by the Dry Bar, we have the Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant. It has a $16 value, and it's to defrizz your hair. It's supposed to last a really long time without weighing your hair down. Okay, Phase Zero Makeup Bare Necessities Eyeshadow Plus Blusher Palette. A $49.07 value. So you've got the blushes on top and the eyeshadows underneath, a mixture of mattes and shimmers. I kind of like this. I'm wondering if it's going to be good. Sohm Institute Transport Treatment Pad, $65 value. This here has exfoliating AHA. It has vitamins A, C, E, B3, and B5. So it's supposed to help skin tone and texture while exfoliating and promoting cell renewal. Another clean and vegan formula, Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. A $72 value. All right. It looks like you put it on before you sleep. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Talk to me down in the comments below. I will see you guys real soon in another video.